In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom email template in Brevo quickly and easily. Start by logging into your Brevo account and head to the Campaigns tab. Click Create a Campaign and choose your campaign type, regular or A/B test. Name your campaign and set your sender info so recipients recognize you. Next, customize your email. Choose your recipients, write a catchy subject line, and design your template. Brevo offers 3 options. Use an existing template. Start from scratch with a drag and drop editor to add logos, colors, and fonts. Use the simple editor for quick edits, or use HTML code for full customization. Always preview and test your template to make sure it looks great on all devices. Once ready, either send it immediately or schedule it to reach your audience at the perfect time. And that's it! You've successfully created a professional email template in Brevo. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick Brevo tutorials.